Hi, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. I just finished building this beautiful 427 Chevy 525 horsepower engine with the dual quad carburetors on there for our customer's 1965 Chevy SS. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build. We started with a brand new dart block, 4-bolt main block. We have all forged steel internals, fully balanced and set. Double roller timing chain in there, brand new timing cover, brand new balancer, comp cams, roller lifter camshaft, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, made in USA. We have the correct oil pan, the Moroso oil pan for the 427 Chevy, the customer's 65 Chevy SS. The roller rocker arms are fully adjusted and set. We have these real nice chrome Chevrolet script valve covers. Correct thermostat housing on there, thermostats installed, braided PCV line on there, PCV valve, polished Edelbrock intake manifold. We have the Edelbrock AVF series dual quad carburetors. I set the throttle linkages up for the customer. These are progressive linkages, all set, ready to go. We have the real nice air cleaners on there, the washable filters. Small cap distributor, real important for the 65 Chevy SS for firewall clearance, that's on there. MSD ignition coil, proper automatic flex plate for the customer's transmission, proper tooth count and balance for the 427 Chevy. High torque mini starter, GM dipstick and tube all set up. Chrome breather, braided fuel lines to the carburetors, electric choke wire, gas filter, all the braided lines, muscle car series fuel pump. We have the Wraptor serpentine pulley kit on here, AC compressor, heavy duty 8-rib belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner, reverse rotation aluminum water pump, 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator, the GM Type 2 power steering pump. We supply the remote reservoir and the power steering line kit. It's a nice installation. Every engine is live run and fully tested for 45 minutes at the engine factory. You're going to get a video of your engine running in the stand. All the settings will be set. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. We set the carburetors on here, the idle mixer screws, get the best manifold vacuum. The idle will be set, all the adjustments done for you, ignition timing set. So when you put the engine in, you're going to have total confidence that you know it's 100% perfect. So there you go. Again, our 427 Chevy, 525 horsepower dual quad engine. When you're ready to buy, give us a call or text us at 908-323-5847 or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Family owned and operated business, been in business since 1969. There you have it. Thanks for watching.